the CB03 short box for your F-150 pickup truck. So this is the CB unit, side shelving left and right. We'll go around the side as well. But looking in the back here, we've got the bed slide. Pulls out with 4 different locking stages. Securely locks in place. You've got your puck lock, which we include for your back door. Nice Sterling logo. This is your truck's tailgate. And one thing which you probably already know, but you'll have the high mount brake light, camera, third brake light module installed up here, which replaces your tailgate camera, which is a nice plug play into the vehicle system and uses all the dash backup camera electronics from factory. So that's awesome. You do have a light switch in here for your convenience. That operates the cargo lamps inside here. There's automatic lighting that comes on the side going doors, so you don't have to think about that. When they open, they're on. When they shut, they're off. We'll just pop around the side and show you the rest. So in the side door here, you've got your door. You can reach it up here if you want, or you've got an extra strap for ease. Pull that down. You've got your light up here, easy access to your shelving. You do have a mesh barrier or a mesh panel at the back to prevent your products from going in and falling into the middle there. It also prevents people from, if somebody was to break into this side, they're not going to be able to get into the middle. So hopefully this is informative, and if you got any questions, please reach out. Thank you.